Welcome to Exams Daily, and this video is for how to apply for UPSC CDS examination 2020. And this examination was conducted by Union Public Service Commission, and we had already uploaded the full notification details in our channel. If you don't see that video, you can go through description box for link. And this is the main portal of UPSC examination, and I'm just going to show you how to apply for this Combined Defense Service Examination CDS 2020. So I'm just going to click this. Yes, it redirects to one page and it shows two columns. The first one is Combined Defense Service Examination and second one is Combined Medical Service Examination. As now we are going to apply for Combined Defense Service Examination, and this notification date is 5/8/2020 and closing date for this application is 25/8/2020. So I'm just going to and this consists of two part of registration, and first I'm just going to click this part 1 registration. Yes, and it shows important instructions to fill this application form. So you can go through this and read this carefully. I'm just showing you the important things in this. So you want to scan your photograph and it must be in JPG format and it must not exceed 300 KB and not less than 20 KB. So and the next thing is you want to upload your signature, scanned signature, and it also must be in JPG format and it doesn't exceed 300 KB and not less than 20 KB. So and also you want to upload your photo identity card and it must be in PDF format and it doesn't exceed 300 KB and not less than 20 KB. And these are the things you want to upload in this application form. As now I am giving yes. Now we are going to fill this application form. It must be in two languages. One is English and another is Hindi. So the first part is you want to give your basic details, and the next you want to pay amount. If you are male candidate, you want to pay rupees 200 for this examination. For women, SC, ST candidates, there is fees exemption. So and the third thing, you want to upload your photo sign and photo identity card, and final you want to choose your center for examination, and then you can declare and you want to give your declaration. So I'm just giving my name. Yes, and before giving your name must be in the form of your matriculation by secondary examination certificate, and don't use any prefix such as Mr., Mrs. in front of your name. And the third thing is you won't exceed your name then 30 characteristics. So on next thing you want to give your gender. I'm giving female. You want to give your gender. I'm just giving my date of birth and month, so and the year. So and this is going to be your password for this. So I'm just giving father because I'm creating this for your reference. So and the next thing is you want to give your nationality. Yes, I'm Indian. I'm giving Indian. So on next you want to give your marital status. If you are married or unmarried or divorcee, widow, you can give this according to your preference. And the next thing you want to give your community. So I'm just giving general. You want to give your community. And the next thing is, do you belong to minority? So if you belong to minority community, you want to give yes here, so or else no. So and the next thing is fees. So if you are remission for fees, so you want to give here yes. For female candidates there is no fees, so it is blocked. So and the next thing you want to give your educational qualification. So for Army, Navy and Air Force, you must for Army and Navy you need one degree and plus 2 with physics and mathematics. So or else you want to complete engineering for this examination. I'm just final year of engineering degree examination. So and the next thing is you want to give your address. So first thing you want to give your door number, and the next thing you want to give your street name, and then third thing you want to give your preferred location, so and your district, and your state. So I belong to Tamil Nadu, I'm just giving Tamil Nadu. So give your state or union territories. I'm just giving my pin code. So give your district pin code or state or union territory pin code. So and the next thing is it asks for mobile number. I'm just giving my mobile number. So give your mobile number. So and which is you are currently using, give your current mobile number because it sends registration number to your mobile number. And the next thing I am going to give my mail ID. So mail ID, give your mail ID which is currently in use because it sends registration number and password. So no password is needed. Your birth date is your password. So if you have any alternate mail ID you can give here. So or else click continue. So yes, and the next you want to give your Aadhaar number. So and photo identity card. So I'm just giving Aadhaar card. Yes, and this is my Aadhaar card number. So you can give your Aadhaar card number and you want to confirm your Aadhaar card number. So and the next thing is do you have any pilot license? If you are male, if you have any pilot license for Air Force, so click yes. I'm female, so I'm not eligible for this, so it only shows no. So and the next thing is it asks for preference. So if you are male, you are eligible for military, naval, army, naval and army. So Air Force. So if you are male, it shows here 111. So I'm female. I'm only eligible for Officers Training Academy Chennai. So it only shows one in this OTA. So if you are male, you can give all those things. So and the next thing, do you have any NCC certificate? So give your category of certificate in this Army, Naval or Air Force. So and the next thing is, are you serving in armed force? If yes, click yes, or else no. And if you are studied in same school, give yes or else no. And the next I'm going to continue this. So and this is my application form. So if you are male, you want to give you want to pay fees for this examination. So for females, SC/ST candidates, there is no fees. So this is my application form. I'm just giving reCAPTCHA. So and this is the only time you want to update your form. So if you done any mistakes, just go through this application form clearly. So if you done once I agree, you can't change your application form. Yes, I'm just clicking I agree. Yes, okay. Yes, I got my I had finished my part 1 of registration, and you can print your application at this time. So I'm just going to click for part 2 registration, and here I want to give my registration ID, and which is given to my mobile number. So for your mobile number, UPSC sends your registration number, and for your password, your birth date is your password. So yes, I'm just given my registration ID. I'm just going to give my birth date is 2000 and February 24th. Yes, and now I'm going to give my reCAPTCHA. So reCAPTCHA is important thing. If you done any mistakes like a small letter, capital letter, it shows error repeatedly. So yes, I'm going to submit this. Yes, I want to choose I want to upload my photography, signature and photo identity card at this time. So I'm just going to choose file. So yes, your photo must be in JPG format and your signature too in JPG format, and your photo identity card must be in PDF format. It only accepts these things. So I'm just uploading my image. Yes, it has uploaded my image. So I'm just clicking continue. Yes, and this is the final stage for this application. I just want to give my Aadhaar number and I want to select my preference examination center, and these two things are the last final step for applying this examination. So yes, I'm just giving my exam center. So I'm just giving Madurai. So yes, and here is your declaration. Read these once carefully. I had already read this, so you can go through this. So I'm just giving I had read declaration and I agree. So yes, I had finished my application form. So this is the final stage. You can print your application or else view your application in this, and you can use your registration and birth date as your password, and you can check your application state this as application status using this. So if you're watching our channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon. So thanks for watching.